All right, my friends, the moment that you have been waiting for with bated breath has finally arrived. We are going to create a new project plan. All right. Of course, you're excited about it. So I'm going to go to the new area here. So now if you just opened up Microsoft Project, it's going to bring you right here. If we were already in a project plan, you would go to File, and then you would click on New, and it would bring you here. So where is here? We're here. Well, here is the new templates area. Let's take a quick look at some of the things that are available here. Now, of course, we can do a blank project, which is what we're going to end up doing here in a moment. But I see a bunch of other things here. I see, again, for my Agile folks, they've included a lot of Agile terminology. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with Agile, if you start to see words like sprints and boards and things like that, that is a byproduct that comes from Agile project management. Read up on that, Google that, and you'll get a better understanding of what that is. But for those of you who are using that style of project management, you can use project to do some of those things now. So we see some templates here that will help us out with that stuff. We see that we can create a new project plan from an existing project. So if you have an existing project template you want to use, we can use that from here. We can import things from an Excel workbook, or create a new project plan based on things from an Excel workbook. We're going to learn later on how we can import existing tasks into an existing project plan. We'll do that a little bit later, but here I could create a new one. Or from a SharePoint task list. We'll do an example of that as well. And then there are a bunch of other templates that are built in. Let's just take a look at one of them. Why not? Right here you can see Agile Project Management. You can see wedding planning, right? You can see all kinds of stuff. Let's do let's do a commercial construction. So I'm just going to go ahead and double click on that, and let's see what pops up. All right, so here we go. So this is just a general project plan. We see it already comes in here with resources there. We see it already comes in with just general tasks and everything, durations and all that kind of stuff, all right? Your timeline is already in place. So if you are new to a specific style of or specific type of project and you want to have a template or a historical view of maybe what you should base your project plan on, these templates will help you to do that, right? So you don't have to start blind. It kind of gives you some help here, and then you can customize it for what you are doing. Now, if you already know what you want to do, then that's going to be more work for you than good, because you're going to have to do more deleting than creating. And so if you're starting from scratch and you know what you want, you're just going to go right here and click blank project. Blank project, and there you go. You have a completely blank project plan that we are going to have to set up. And over the next few videos, we're going to go through some of the different tools and things that you're going to want to configure to set up your project plan to be able to receive new tasks.